Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you can probably tell from the title, I'm going to be doing a unicorn look. Oh yes, you guys might be thinking, about time Nathan, we've been expecting this from you. So literally this is what I'm going to be wearing for Halloween. As you can see, ride my horn baby.
Hello cutie pie.
And yeah, so I'm literally just going to go in, I've done some eyeliner already. I'm actually trying some new eyeliner out for those who asked me my eyeliner tutorial. And my ex, like a matte professional one, I literally put up because every time I use the e.l.f. eyeliner, sometimes, I'd say like 50-50, it usually smudges within like 2 hours. So I'm trying this one out. Quite a few of my friends recommended it to me. I'd say I literally got about 5 people saying this one, so I was like, okay, and that's a lot for me. So yeah, I thought I'll go and try this, and so yeah, I'll guys let you know how it works after tonight of dancing and fun. Oh yes. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go in with a pink, just to create the cut crease, and then I'll go in with more fancy glitter colours next. This video, pretty much everything that I'm going to use is from Boohoo, so this is from Boohoo. I have some like unicorn glitter and like face jewellery, which is from Boohoo as well. So yeah, so I'm going to go in my BH Cosmetics 42 matte palettes, and yeah, I'm going to go in with this pink colour here. And yeah, I'm just going to go and do that and make a cut crease. Yes. Right, so there we are. It's a nice stunning cut crease. Oh yes. So I kind of went on like Google and kind of got some inspiration for like the colours and stuff. So yeah, I kind of done swatches on my hand. I don't know if you can see. So I'm going to be using that pink for the cut crease. I'm going to go in the inner corner of the eye with that blue. And then go to that purple for like the eyelids to like blend it into the pink. Oh yes. So right, so what I'm going to do now is, you guys guessed it, I'm going to go and put some foundation on the eyelids. Even though I guess I kind of have already, to be honest, but I just want to put a lot more so that the colour sticks back. So I'm going to go and do that. Wow, this foundation is like far more coverage than the Barrier one. I'm trying not to look up, so oh no, I've got it on my hands. So what I'm using now is a Revolution foundation. Yeah, conceal and define, but it's foundation, not concealer. I don't know why I'm saying that. I don't know. A 5.7, because as you guys can probably figure out, I'm not a pasty whitey boy. So yeah, so I'm literally going to wait for it to dry. So it looks like on the picture she's on like another cut crease going around the eye. So I'm going to go in with the purple and try and do that. Emulate that. Ooh, we love words here. So yeah, I'm going to go and do put the purple glitter on first in the kind of like the outer corner and go in. So I understand I'm not sharing it again. I'm really trying to focus on actually doing this because I need to go right into the inner corner of the eye and it's going to be so annoying and difficult because my brush isn't small enough. I'm going to leave the bottom bit because I'm going to go over the foundation again to put the blue on. Oh yes, we're going all out tonight, darlings. Sickening, sickening. Yes, 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 yes. Left, right, up, down, raw. Right, so I'm going to go with some, hello, can you focus please, thank you. So I'm going to go in with some foundation again, and I'm just going to go over the purple, and then I'm going to put blue on top. So I'm going to make like a purple cut crease, you see what I mean. Right, wait for that to dry again, oh yes. Can't be bothered. Can you focus on the unicorn gay please, thank you. Can we please focus on the unicorn gay please, thank you. So, oh hello, welcome back to my channel. So I've given it like 2 minutes if that, but I'm just going to throw blue on so it happens. I love being spontaneous here on this channel. The thing is, you guys had no idea because I was going to end up using the blue and end up using the purple, I didn't show you, so I used this purple here. So now I'm going to go in with this blue here. Yes, the magnificent, metallic, wonderful blue. Money, 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 money. Ooh, it's looking very sexy. Poke myself in the eye too hard. Oh! Right, so I like that so far. The only thing is you can't really see the purple. I've kind of gone over it the blue too much. So yeah, I don't really know how someone gets like a bit of purple going around the blue. I guess I'm just not professional enough yet for that. Okay, yes, I read myself, thank you. So I'm just going to go in with the purple and just go around the blue a little bit, just to get more of that car crease that I was trying to go for. Loving that. So I'm a bit confused now because I want to put glitter on my eyes, but I don't know if it's going to be too much. I suppose it's never too much, as I adjust my unicorn horn. Hey guys, so I tried to put a little bit of foundation and put some glitter on and it will come in a bit wrong, but we're back. So yeah, you can see the glitters on my face, which I don't mind because I want glitter everywhere. So, but I don't really know how to get the glitter to like stick on properly, and it hasn't exactly given me anything in the package. So yeah, I'm a bit confused as to what to do with the glitter because I want the glitter everywhere. I do love the glitter under the eye, like you can't really see it, but like, yeah. So yeah, I might just do that. I'm just gonna pat the glitter on, like so. Right, so there we are. You can kind of see it doesn't really sparkle too much, but yeah, that will all be gone by then tonight, I am sure. But it's something a little bit different, and I like it. I think it's cute. I have to really clean out our room tomorrow though. Glitter everywhere. Right, so what I'm going to do a white for the waterline. I think that look quite cool. So yeah, I'm probably not going to film that because I need to like use both hands. So I need to like rest my arms on something, and the camera's up too high, so I'm going to be on the table like that. And you're not going to see me. So yeah, you know, just the awkward whole like. So yeah, I'll be back. Right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go in with a blush. I've done the waterline. I ended up going with a blue from LA Girl. I think I went and looked better than a white. So yeah. So I'm going to go in with this Revolution Regeneration Trends Mischief Matte palette. And because the colours really aren't that pigmented, I think it's really cool to use this like, I guess like an orangey red colour here called Halftime as like a blush. So yeah, I'm going to go in and use it as a blush right now. So yeah, I'm going to do that. Right, so now I'm going to go in with a pink highlighter from my Revolution Hearts. Oh yes. I'm loving how this looks coming out so far. Excited. Excited. Right, so I'm going to go in with the pink. And I'm going to do just above just below the eyebrows. So I think I will put in the eyeshadow. Just a little bit. Right, this look has actually come out very pretty. Very pretty. Pretty, please. Do me. So we have glitter going along here, glitter going up here. Oh no, there's these big chunks here. So yeah, and I've done some highlight in the end and done some blush instead of contour. I feel like I want blush more. Some pretty in pink, oh yes. Right, so one thing I'm going to do quickly before I do the lipstick is the face jewellery. Oh yes, you didn't think we were stopping here, did you? So basically, I've never done this before. So I'm going to go with, because I'm not going to use those ones because I've already got the glitter under the eyes. So I think I'm going to go for the head bits here. So I don't know if that's going to be too much because you're not really going to see it because of my hair anyway. Yeah, I'm going to try and do the eyebrow bits first. I mean, they say to put them there, I can put them wherever I want. But yeah, get me a little scissors, a little knife. Right, so it says, to apply, remove the whole jewellery sticker from the plastic backing and apply to clean, dry, oil-free skin. Well, we're already failing. So, press firmly for a few seconds to make sure the design is secure and then you are good to go. Right, okay. Oh, so does that mean I've got to use the whole thing at once? I don't want to do that though. So, I'm going to try and just do it. Okay, well I like that. That goes kind of cute there, right? So I'm going to do the same with the other one. Oh, but now I've got to try and get them even. This is where it'll be absolutely fun. Fun. Right, they're gorgeous on the side. I quite like that actually. Let me just get my hair down. Okay, that works. So now should I put the big one on the forehead? I mean, my forehead's big enough, but it's like... Let's just do it anyway. Right, I'm gonna go in for the big boy. Stick that on my face. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Oh, you guys, this is probably one of my funnest looks I've ever done. I'm very excited about this. I've been crowned the queen of the makeup world. Oh, yeah, I love it. Oh, sick. I can't frown too much, we're just gifting anyway. Try and prevent those wrinkles. I should get more of these. So, yeah. Turned out to be quite a cute look. Boo. So I used their headpiece and the glitter. And they do have another one for under the eyes. But I guess I can save them for maybe like Gay Pride or something. Yeah, because I think the glitter's enough. Right, very excited about how this has turned out. Yes. So, oh bitch, yes. She has officially snapped. Snapped, snapped, snapped. Killed unicorn and now is wearing her skin. Yes, we love that. So anyway, get more of this magical video. Keep watching. I'm gonna go need something now and then do the lipstick. Oh yes. Hey guys! So yeah, I'm gonna do the lipstick now. I've kept it on for like, I'd say about half an hour, 40 minutes so far, and it's all feeling fine. So you know, it could be after the night, it'll probably come off, but whatever. So yeah, and I'm sweating it out on a pole, yes. So what I'm gonna do lipsticks. I'm gonna go in with what I wore for my single cover. I don't know if you guys remember that, because I have a few like new subscribers, but most of you, if you've seen that video, you know it's the tea, you know it's good, oh yes. So I'm gonna go in with LA Girl, this blue colour. I'm gonna line the lips with this. Right, so I've lined the lip. So I'm gonna go in with the pink now. This pink colour's from, oh, I think it's Models. It's kind of like the writing's starting to fade out, but yeah. Right, so I'm going to go back in with blue just to touch up little parts that I've gone over. Right, so I think that's the lips done, darlings. Gorgeous. So it goes with literally the colours so well. I'm so excited for tonight, yeah, yeah, yeah. Well, that's all I'll do probably before I go out is put a little bit more glitter under the eyes. But otherwise, that is this look. So yeah. So that's it. I'm the unicorn gay queen. You can't say she. So this is it. Like and subscribe for more. Hit the bell notification to be notified when I put my screens a new video. Oh yes. And I'll see you guys next video. Bye guys. Mwah.